Hi, in this video, you will learn how to change the height of a row in Google Docs. So I have this table that I have inserted from this menu, from insert and then table. And then after that, I want to change this row's height. So this is a default setting. And to change that row's height, you have to select the cell that you want to change. You can select some of the cells, or you can also select all the cells on the table. So I'm going to do just that. And then after that, go to the table options and then open the row menu. So here in the minimum row height, you can change the number to the number that you want. Let's say I want to inflate the size to 2 centimeters. If you are using inches, then the number will be different, but try to resize the try to change the height of the row according to the measurement in your Google Docs document. So I turned that to 2 centimeters and it looks a bit taller. Another way to change the row's height is by selecting all the cells or some of the cells, and then you can click and adjust any of these horizontal lines. So I'm going to select this one and it will change the height of all the selected cells. So that's basically how you can change the row's height in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.